welcome back. No, today is not a cooking video. Today we're doing a lifestyle related video, and today I have with me the lovely Miss Anna J Handmade. If you all are following me on Instagram or TikTok, you'll see I post a lot of things about what she does, what she makes. So go follow me and follow her. This would be her handle. I'll put it in the description box, so make sure and click on that and go follow her today. What she does is out of this world. When I first found out what she does, I was blown away. I'm like, she's making miniature doubles out of clay. Here we have a look of some of the things that she makes. We have dal, rice, bhaji and pepper, ramen, roti and a tower, aloo or potato, a deer, a bird on a rock, her special earrings, and bracelets with charms. And anything that you want sculpted, you can send her a message on Etsy and she will respond to you, tell her what you want, and you all can work forward to designing something, even if it's a unique gift that you want to give someone. So her pieces are available in her Etsy store, which I'll link in the description box, and it's also available at Anna's Jewelry in Trinidad. So make sure and go to the store and check out her pieces there. So let her tell you a little bit more about how she got started and what she does. Anna?
Hi guys. So it was a hobby that just blossomed because it's a passion that everyone seemed to like, and I just went with it. It started off as presents, and after posting, people were asking to buy, and it just went from there. So I enjoy doing what I do thoroughly. What I make, I use clay, and I just hand sculpt, and this clay can go straight into the oven and it hardens. It's already colored. So I do color with pastels, acrylic paints, but it's usually mostly clay. So that's a little bit about it. I do mostly Trini items, food items, doubles, dal and rice, just different things that I would miss from home, as well as just jewelry that I would enjoy wearing or thing that people would love to wear as well. So that's it.
Nice. So what we're going to do is she's going to make a couple of things so you all can have a little peek behind the scenes of the amount of work that goes into it, because yes, it looks really cute and really nice, but there is a lot of detailed work that goes into just one small piece. So let's get into this. Let's show them how it's done.
Alright, so today we will be making a doubles from start to finish, so you can see what that process looks like.
Okay guys, so she just made her doubles from scratch, and you see how much detailed went into making this. And if you guys are really impressed, go check her out. Check out her Etsy store. She does, as you all saw, not only food items made out of clay but other items, and you can order something and she can make something special for your loved ones. So thank you so much, Anna, for having me over so I can see.
Anytime.
It's a lot of work, like wow. I'm like, I can't do this. And I'm sure she'll be like, she can't do what I do, I can't do what she does. And it's just amazing to see all of what happens just to get one miniature item. So click on her link, go follow her. I'll put all of her social media platforms in the description box, so follow her on each. Thank you all so much for joining us, and I'll see you in my next video. Go order something right now before it sells out. Bye.